the whole personal development industry is really fascinated with this term called the law of attraction, which is mentioned in the book The Secret. It talks about how thoughts become things in the material world. And that is true to a large degree. But is that enough? Not really. Let's talk about what exactly is the law of attraction. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means that if you give out positive thoughts in terms of health, wealth, relationships, and any other key area of your life, you are bound to get positive results as well. But how truthful is it? It's true that the Pareto's principle, which is the 80-20 principle, also applies here, that 80% is the law of attraction, in which your mindset gives you the strength to carry out the actions. However, that 20% is also extremely necessary. So the law of action must be greater than the law of attraction in itself, because all that the law of attraction does is to give you the right mindset in order to perform those actions. If you're not in the right mindset, how will you be able to lose that weight and attain your ideal body weight? You will not have that internal motivation. That is where the law of attraction definitely plays a major role. It talks about ask, believe, and receive, which is extremely powerful as well. You need to be clear about what you want to achieve. So instead of saying that I want to lose weight, specify what is it that you want to achieve exactly. If you want to be 60 kilos of weight, then concentrate on that. Concentrate on what you want to achieve, because what you focus on, you give energy to. That is the asking part, that you need to ask the universe. Then is the believing part. You already start believing that you have received it. You are already living in that particular body. How will this be possible? By visualizing. By visualizing yourself being in that particular body, whatever your ideal body weight is. So you give your focus, you give your energy to what you want to achieve, as if it is happening already in the present. Then is the receiving part. You start vibrating on the frequency of whatever you want to achieve, and you will be able to eventually receive it as well. However, in this case, if you're just pursuing the law of attraction without putting in the amount of effort which is required, then it is not going to work. If you are just thinking that I will be 60 kilos in terms of my ideal body weight, but you are not eating healthy food, you are constantly eating junk food, if you are not exercising regularly, how will that be possible? So the law of action will always be greater than the law of attraction.